What are you doing? You looking at the light? Where are you going? You on your tippy toes? Trying to get in? All right, we gotta go in the laundry basket and take everything out. Connor, come here. Connor, come here. Connor, come here. Look. Come here. Remember this little guy? Come here, look. Look at this guy. Connor. Connor. Look at this little guy. Remember you found him yesterday? Right there. Look at him. Look at this guy. Look. Look at him. Isn't he cute? Look. Look how cute he is. You started pointing to him. You moved the curtain and you got all excited. Right? Right? You're playing peekaboo behind the curtain? Aww.